nature because I love snails.
I love nature is because I like finding insects and making things.
That's because I love animals. I like the camera traps. I love nature because I love ladybirds.
Because I love digging and I love doing everything nature.
I like being a North East Naturalist because we find lots of nature and it's really good.
I like telling people who like so they can be a North East Naturalist, so they can find lots of nature and lots of nature animals. You've been a naturalist, hear the birds. I love nature because bees are my favourite, so are butterflies and ants and flies.
Nature because you get to see animals. We love North East nature.
I like nature because it's really nice to look at and really nice to watch and listen to, and I can get angry really easily, so sometimes I watch and listen to it.
I like being a Young North East Naturalist because nature you never know what you're going to find in it, because one minute you might expect to find a tree or a new type of tree, and the next you discover you found a badger.
Young North East Naturalist because you get to go outdoors more and have a little explore, and you get to find all sorts of things like birds, spiders, trees, and, grass.
I like being Young North East Naturalist because when you're outdoors, there's a lot of wildlife that you can explore, and there's some things that you might want to see and you never do get to see. I like being a Young North East Naturalist because I like the outdoors and I like nature and wildlife, and I especially like animals, and it's lots of fun.
I like being a Young North East Naturalist because I love nature.